I got the sun over my shoulder and I'm ready to get to work. Where do you see this? Okay. Okay, doesn't look too bad, right? It's not the end of the world. Let's get a closer look from a bird's eye view. Okay. Just tar this stuff up. There's a big hole there. Another hole here. One goes right into the kitchen. Full way across. Yep, that's what you think it is. It's asbestos. This is the worst part here. So this really can't be repaired. I got to rebuild it. All the lookers are rotting out. See, all they did is they just put scraps of metal in. I don't know what they were hoping to accomplish. It was just pitched against the house. Anyway, I guess spend a day dismantling this and basically taking the gutter off and starting from scratch. More funner. A rock. This is a rock. They just tarred over a rock to fill this hole years ago when it was smaller. Okay. See that behind me? Those are clouds. Clouds are moving in. So what I got so far, nesting. Everything's pulled back. Well, I'm going to put my gloves on. Put all that stuff in a bag. These are the lookers I got to change out. They're going to be 10.5 inches deep. Basically, I think because of the clouds moving in, pull these off and temporarily hang the gutter back up here. Because otherwise we're going to get this action, water coming in there, and we don't want that. So basically what I'm going to do is secure the job, clean this back, pull the panels back a bit, take the lookers off, pull the fascians off, and this is the worst of it, all this nesting here. I'm going to get this COVID-bearing bird nesting, bird flu stuff out of here without getting sick. Bag it, even with the Soffit panels. I'm not saving these. And then what I got to do, I'm going to make like a plywood bracket that I reach up under here, like almost like a, what do you call it? Them Australian things that come back at you, like a little boomerang. To go up into here, screw it into the side, and then put a piece of block in there, 1x6 here, 1x6 there. There was no wood here. This is just tin originally. They didn't bother to put anything. There's no nail holes. So there was never any wood here. It was all that lead tin-coated sheet metal. And it's really not going to be as hard as I thought. I'll be out of here by tomorrow. The tough part is going to be getting metal back up under here. This is cedar shingles under here, cedar roof shingles, so the asbestos is a second layer. I'm not going to get the metal underneath this asbestos because that's tight. So that's going to be the hard part, figuring out how to flash this without pulling the roof back too much. And that's it. 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Well, a cloud came by and made me moist. And my tools. So I'm going home. It's not even noon. I got my brackets cut and fitted mostly. Another hour I would have had the fascia up, but it's clouds all around. So I'm gonna go home, dry off. I don't like to work with tools when they're wet. I mean, I could stand the rain and the snow, but I'm not taking that risk of getting zapped. See you tomorrow. Okay, I'm back. I got all the brackets on, strung up. These are the brackets. That's what I mean by boomerang. I had to make a bracket plywood to get up into there and attach to the rafters, because there ain't much rafter left to attach it to. So my next step is one extra. I don't know why I have an extra, but I do. My next step is to put the fascia and the cap on. Okay, I'm here at the Soffit job to clean up, pick up my toys, and get out of here. I got the debris up on the in the bags. Oof. This heat is off. There's the Soffit. My sweat. This is up here about 1.25 inches behind the shingles. I got a drip edge into the gutter, and we're all set up. It's garbage. Just put my ladders on the truck and I'm out of here. Sayonara.